Welcome back to Invest Avenue. Are you struggling to find investors for your business? Stick around because today, we're diving into proven strategies that can help you secure the funding you need to turn your vision into reality. 1. Craft a compelling pitch. Your pitch should be clear, concise, and captivating. Highlight your business's unique value proposition and potential for growth. 2. Know your numbers. Investors want to see solid financial projections. Be prepared to discuss your revenue model, profit margins, and market size. 3. Leverage your network. Start with friends, family, and business connections. They can provide not only capital but also valuable introductions. 4. Attend industry events. Networking events, trade shows, and industry conferences are great places to meet potential investors. Make sure to have your elevator pitch ready. 5. Utilize online platforms. Websites like AngelList, Seed Invest, and Kickstarter can connect you with investors from around the world. 6. Join an accelerator or incubator. These programs offer funding, mentorship, and resources to help your startup grow and attract investors. 7. Show traction. Demonstrate that your business is already gaining traction. This could be through customer growth, partnerships, or early revenue. 8. Tell a story. Investors invest in people as much as in ideas. Share your personal journey and passion for the business. 9. Seek professional advice. Consider hiring a financial advisor or consultant to help you prepare and present your business to investors. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Invest Avenue for more insights on growing your business. See you in the next video.